Shit, it's been a while since I sat in front of a camera doing this, but I forgot how to even do an intro, I'm gonna play a little song on the piano as my intro, because I forgot how to do an intro, so yeah, enjoy this.
They're trying to be quick. They're trying to be quick. She wanted me Cardi. Baby, I'm but I'm about like Kid Cudi. I'm supposed to like Kid Cudi.
Alright, now, but seriously, yeah, today we're playing a team called Aptitude. You might remember them from last season. We beat them to win the league. We played them like 4 or 5 times. It's pretty even between us, yeah. So, like, they're a good team. Probably the hardest team in the league we've got to face. So, and we're only playing 5 games this season as well, because we're only playing each team once. That's what Lee's told me anyway. So, yeah, it's pretty important that we win every game. If you lose one, you ain't got much time to make it right, because we're only playing 5 games, you know what I mean? So every game is a must win. And this is our second game of the season. Our first one we won 9-4. You can see that in my most recent video. So yeah, it's a good start to the season, but the second game is just as important. If we win this one, we've got a good chance of winning the league. If we lose, there's a good chance that we might not. So yeah, man, it's an important game, and I don't think I've got anything else left to say. So let's just jump into the game now. We actually brought a lot of players with us today, we got I think 10 people, so you're about to see them now. We've got Wackass, Jack, Tom, Safe, Sep, myself, Jaden, Lee, Cameron and TK. So yeah, pretty good team, but like everyone's going to need to be playing really well. It doesn't matter how many players you got. If you want to beat them, everyone needs to be playing well. That's the most important thing. The starting lineup is Wackass in goal, Safe and Jack in defence, Sep in the middle and Lee up top. Pretty strong squad. I think Jaden didn't start because he hurt his back. If he started, it would have been like one of our strongest squads. But yeah, obviously his back was hurting, so he couldn't start. He does play in the end, but he just didn't start. Anyway, Lee kicked off the game there, and yeah, we're underway now. This is why I want Jack in the team. Like, he's actually quite hard to get past. Yeah, fair enough, he doesn't win the ball the first time, but he stays with his man. Eventually, I think he does get a foot in, and it falls to Lee. I'm pretty sure. There you go. He loses the ball in the end, I think, or maybe no, he passes to Safe. Safe loses the ball. Yeah, there you go. They almost score here, but for Wackass it's a good save, so yeah, it's a good start from him. This time it's another loose touch from Safe. So Safe's not started the game well today. There you go, there's the loose touch. They almost score once again, but Wackass is there to save that one as well. So yes, Wackass started off the game really well. We could have been 2 goals behind already, but for Wackass it's good save. So we owe a lot of staying in the game at the moment to him. Anyway, Jack's got the ball now, plays it to Lee, looks for the 1-2. It's a bit of a poor touch from Lee in the end. But yeah, as you can see, we just started off really slowly at the minute. Nothing's really going right. They got the ball, they're on the attack here. I'm not sure what happens here. Oh, they get a shot off, I think, here. But Wackass is there to save that one again. So that's 3 saves in like the first two minutes or so. Another person that started off the game well, I thought, was Lee. Here's him, doing well, holding off the ball there, turns his man, and then eventually turns back, plays it to Sep. I think Sep gets a shot off as well here. Not the best effort, if I remember correctly. There you go, not the best effort, but at least we're the ones shooting now. But yeah, they got the ball on yet another attack now. They look like they're going to be through here, but Lee's done well to get back, get a foot in, and it goes through to Wackass. This time it's Seppa with the ball, plays it to Wackass. I think Wackass rolls it out to Safe or Lee here. He rolls out to Lee. It's intercepted, they have a shot. They come really close. That was like that far away. I remember watching from outside, it was so close here. But we're playing into like trouble ourselves at this point as well. But that's the end of the first 5 minutes. We've done well to keep it at 0-0, but pretty poor start to the game, if I'm being honest. So as you may be able to tell, we made a few subs now. That's TK, myself and Jaden coming on. And with Jaden's 3rd touch since coming on, he takes a shot and he hits the post already. So he almost scores like 10 seconds into it, and Safe on the rebound does really well to keep it down. That was unlucky as well. But this Jaden strike here is so unlucky. You'll see on the replay now, look at the way he hits it. That deserved to go in the top corner here. Like, I thought that was in, but oh man, I can't believe how close that is. And Safe on the rebound is a really good strike. I don't know how he keeps that down. Normally, yeah, he blasts that into like another court, but he didn't want to keep it down there. Was unlucky in the end, but it's a good start from the subs. Well, mostly Jaden. But yeah, we bought a new life of energy into the game at the minute. But in the end, the keeper gets the ball here, I'm pretty sure. I don't remember anything happening from here. So yeah, that was the end of that. It looks like Safe's got the ball, plays it to Jaden this time. He takes another shot and he hits the post again. I'm not making this up, yeah. How can you hit the post in 2 times, yeah, in less than like 30 seconds? That's just unheard of, yeah. This time Safe couldn't get on a rebound, but yo, that is so unlucky. It's unreal, man. After that though, their keeper's got the ball, plays it out to this guy in the red shirt. He takes on myself and Jaden, goes in between, roulettes TK, hits past Safe, and he almost scores a good goal there. That was unlucky from him. But this time we've got the ball now. Wakas rolls it out to Safe. I think Safe takes a shot. Not bad effort in the end, not the best effort either, but again, at least we're shooting now. After that, TK's got the ball in the corner, plays it to me. I could have played it to Safe if I'm being honest, but instead I took a shot. Pretty poor effort in the end, but at least we're shooting, you know what I mean? It's an improvement to how we started the game. Now they got the ball, Jaden gets a foot in. He could actually score here, plays it to me. And yo, I don't even want to see this, man. That is just, oh, that's embarrassing. 2 shots, 3 altogether. These 2 here in particular. The first one should be scoring out. The second one, at least get it on target, yeah. Like, oh, that's bad. I swear to God, that's so bad. But oh, that should be 1-0, man. That hurts to watch, yeah. That's an open goal. I don't know how I've done that, but I probably could have taken it on my left foot. I don't know. That's a good save from Wakas. I forgot that happened. And this shot, yeah, that was like that far wide. I don't know how that didn't go in. But the game is opening up a bit. Again, I think Wakas is going to make another save. Nah, that guy just kicks it wide. But again, the game is opening up. And here's this guy in the red shirt coming forward again. Plays it to this guy in the hoodie. He takes a shot on his left foot, but that goes just wide. I pick up the ball. I could have played it to Jaden. I could have taken a shot, but instead I played it to Safe. He takes a shot on. It gets blocked. He kind of loses where the ball is in the air. But then that is the end of that 5 minutes. We're making a few more subs. Safe's going off. I don't think anyone else is going off. I think it's just 1 sub. So we'll see if that changes anything. Actually, we made 2 subs. So I've gone off as well. So it's Cameron and Thomas who have both come on. And here's Tom's first involvement. Gets shrugged off the ball. Might have been a foul. I don't know. I don't really think it's a foul though. In the end, he does win the ball and then he clears it. Eventually, there you go, he clears it. They get the ball again. So it's like non-stop pressure at this point, non-stop defending. We've not been able to like get the ball and hold it for more than like, 10 seconds really. They've got the ball here, takes it around TK, plays it to this guy. They work another opportunity here. This guy takes a shot on his left foot, but Wakas is there to save that one again. This guy on the ball here, his name's Abdul. He's a pretty good player. Takes on Cameron there. It's like lazy defending from Cameron, sticks out a lazy foot, gives away the free kick. From the free kick, they kick it off Jaden. I think Abdul plays it back to this guy here. He picks up the ball, takes on Thomas, sorry, shoots with his left foot, and it goes in. So we're 1-0 down now. I can't say they don't deserve it. I can't say that we don't deserve to be behind. We do deserve to be behind. And, for all of the chances they've had, they've only scored 1. So you can consider ourselves lucky at this point, if I'm being honest. But again, not ideal. But it was coming basically. Cameron from the kickoff takes a shot, pretty poor effort. So as you can see, we're just making mistakes ourselves at this point, you know what I mean? Jaden can't do anything with the ball from here either. Literally like 20 seconds after we just conceded, yeah, we conceded another. Like this one's even harder to accept because no one's closed him down there. We just let him shoot and it takes a deflection of TK. I don't know if you can really tell here, but it does. And then that kind of makes it like bounce awkwardly in front of Wakas. He probably should still save it, but that's, I don't know, like no one closed him down. I think everyone's at fault in some way there. But like 2 goals to concede in like less than a minute. Now Lee's coming on. Safe was the guy who told Lee to get on because we needed someone up there with Jaden who can actually score. So, I don't know, man. That one was hard to take, innit? We just let him score like that. But now it's 2-0 and it's an even steeper mountain to climb now. Here's a nice bit of play from them. They play a little 1-2 around Thomas here. And eventually Thomas gets back to make the block, so fair play to him for that. And then Wakas rolls the ball out to Lee. Lee was probably one of our better players today. It's a nice little skill there, but in the end he pretty much goes nowhere. The ball gets taken off him. He wins it back, I think. Takes a shot. In the end he is fouled, so we get the free kick for that. But anyway, as you're about to hear now, the halftime whistle is about to go. It does end 2-0 to them at halftime. I don't think we've been in this position before where we've been like losing this heavily at halftime. So I don't know, man, not been a good half. Been hard to watch as well, even though I know what's happened, it's hard to watch, yeah. And basically at this point we're saying, look, if we're going to get back in the game, we need to score early in the second half. And like Jaden was saying, we're playing too deep. Like we just camped outside our box. So you can see Lee saying the same thing. We're just lined up there outside our own box. We're not attacking them. When we get the ball, we're just losing it. But look, we just know quite simply it needs to be better in the second half, and hopefully we can get an early goal and change things around, but we'll see about that. Okay, so I've left this in here. This is like probably the first minute and a half of the second half sped up now, and you can see already we're getting on the ball a bit more, apart from now, but we're playing them a bit higher up the pitch at this point, so there's a bit more energy in there at least. They're playing it around still, don't get me wrong, but you know, then we're not just camped outside our box, which is already a good start to the second half. I think, again, nothing really happens in this clip, but I'm just showing you that there is an improvement. At least we're playing up the right end of the pitch, you know what I mean? So in that way, it's an improvement. This is a good effort from Safe, you know. To be fair, Safe took a few good shots today. This is another one of them. Might have gone in with another keeper. The keeper does really well to get down there. Seppa on a rebound, can't score. That was another good save. But again, it's looking better in the first opening 3 minutes of the second half. This time it's Jaden who wins the ball back there. He does really well to win that from that position. I don't know exactly what's going on. I think Lee takes a shot, but it goes just wide. But again, it's better. Here it looks like Solomon's due to take a shot on goal, but then Seppa gets back, manages to get the ball off him, plays it back to Wakas. Wakas rolls it out to Safe. Safe tries to play it to Jaden, I think, maybe. No, he plays it to me. Oh shit, I forgot about this. Yeah, I took a shot, and that was close, you know, just about goes over the bar. Again, more positive things going on the pitch right now. Probably should have got a goal in this first 5 minutes already, but, you know, at least it's better. Here's a little nutmeg from Seppa on Solomon. There you go. You can see his ankle go over there, and we do get the free kick for that. There's no debate in that one. I thought Seppa played well today, by the way, but he takes a free kick as well. He tries to take a quick one, but the keeper manages to sit on the ball there. That keeper was pretty decent as well, but again, another opportunity that we might have scored. So as you can see, there's been many improvements in the second half already. I've won the ball back there for Safe. Safe tries to turn and get a shot off there. In the end, he does get tackled. They're going up the other end now. They almost score again, but for him, oh shit, I forgot that even happened. I hit the crossbar. That was so close to going in the top corner, you know. I thought Waka saved that, but now I hit the crossbar. Now they're on the attack once again, and then that one goes just wide, and they managed to get the ball back to Waka. So even though it's an improvement, they're still, you know, getting their own chances as well. So we're still living a bit dangerously. Jaden gets tackled there. Can't do anything from that corner as well. Here we get another opportunity. This time it's with Cameron. He takes a shot with, I would say the outside of his foot, but it's more like a toe poke. But it was like this far from going in, so it's not a bad strike. I play the ball back to him. He takes another shot. This time it's a pretty decent strike, but the keeper's going to save that. Their keeper's pretty decent on this day as well. It's going to take a lot to beat him as well. So they play a nice little 1-2 around me. Take it past Thomas, get a shot off. Wakas is there to save that one, and he gathers that one up. At this point, yeah, if I'm being honest, the momentum is shifting back to them now. They hit the post here, but we're getting tired now. You can see me just walking. I was pretty tired at this point as well. Probably should have gone off here, if I'm being honest. They take another shot. Wakas saves that one. If it weren't for Wakas, we might have conceded 5 or 6 at this point. So at this point, it's about 25 minutes gone in the game. They've got the ball in this corner. Play it to this guy in the PSG top. Takes a shot with his left foot, and it goes in. So it's looking like it's game over at this point. I'm not going to lie to you. 3-0 down with less than 5 minutes to go. It's not looking promising at the minute. You can see me. I probably should have been there to block that shot maybe. I don't know. But either way, it's poor from everyone if I'm being honest. Yeah, 3-0 down. Not long left to go. We're making a few subs. I think Lee's coming on now. Let's see if he can change anything. Might be a bit too late, but who knows. Now they're on the attack once again. I think that's Solomon who plays a 1-2. Avan Thomas takes a shot. Waka saves it, and then Jack's able to clear that one. But it hits the net and then comes out to, I think that's Abdul. He takes it past Lee, I'm pretty sure. Takes it onto his right foot, takes a shot, and it goes in. So that's 4-0 now. Less than 2 minutes to go. That surely is game over now, you know. There's no sort of miracle that could bring back this game at this point. No one really closes him down. I think Lee tried, but he was just taken on. Wakas probably should be saving it. Either way, the game was done at this point. I don't even know what to say, man. TK's coming on now. I doubt he can make a difference in this time that we've got left, but you never know. Here he's trying to do just that. Takes a shot, it's blocked, and in a second now you're about to hear a full-time whistle up there. I think it's gone now.